Hello everyone, I am Ambika Goyal and this is my YouTube channel Tech Pickle, which is in collaboration with my elder brother Mayank Goyal. We both are tech lovers, so we thought to make this beautiful channel and present it before you. So my first video is going to be about power bank and why I personally feel that you must have a power bank. Firstly, you don't get a socket everywhere. Like whenever you are out of home, it's not possible that you will get a power socket everywhere. And secondly, if you do get a power socket, do you think so that you should charge from that? I think no. Because when you charge your phone in a public socket, you don't know what's on the other side. There's always a risk to your data privacy, which can lead to phone cloning or data theft. So today we at Tech Pickle are going to talk about the criterias a power bank must satisfy. I believe that you all might know that a power bank comes in different capacity ranging from 5000 mAh to 50,000 mAh. But that doesn't mean that you have to buy a higher capacity of power bank, because it is sufficient to have a power bank that can charge your device up to 1.5 to 2 times. For example, if your phone battery has a capacity of 3000 to 4000 mAh, it is sufficient to have a power bank which has a capacity of 8000 to 10,000 mAh. Second, and a very important thing you need to take into consideration before buying a power bank is that it must be from a reputed brand, which can be Samsung, Realme or Xiaomi, as a power bank contains battery which can be hazardous and can explode. When you buy a power bank with 10,000 mAh capacity, you only get 6 to 7,000 mAh capacity, as the 10,000 mAh capacity is theoretical, as the rest gets lost due to heat produced while charging. A power bank must have at least 2 output ports. One of them should be a USB-C port, as it leads to faster power delivery, and you will also be able to future-proof yourself, as most of the devices nowadays comes with USB-C. Always remember that your power bank must have a good build quality and it must support fast charging, so it's able to charge your device faster. Your power bank must support quick charge, as it does not make sense to have a power bank which takes 8 to 10 hours to charge itself, because with quick charge your power bank will be able to charge at a very faster speed. I hope that this power bank guide has helped you in many ways. Now I will be reviewing one of the power bank which I have been using for some time now, and I believe that that's one of the best power bank which fits all the criteria we have mentioned. So here's the review of Realme Power Bank 2. I have purchased this Realme Power Bank from Realme store and received a 100 rupees discount. That costed me around rupees 899, and by the way you can also purchase this power bank from Flipkart for 999. I'll make sure that I'll provide the link in the description box. Let's talk about the good and bad aspect of this power bank. This power bank comes in 2 different colors, yellow and black, and I purchased the yellow one because I kind of liked it. It comes in a typical yellow Realme box. So let's unbox it and see what's all inside it. Okay, this is pretty cool. Such a pretty yellow Realme power bank. So this is how the power bank looks like, which comes with a power bank, obviously a user manual and USB cable. By the way, user manual. What do we do with a user manual? I don't do anything, trust me. This power bank looks very premium and has a matte texture which gives a very satisfying sound when you scratch it, at least to me. I think it's one of the few power bank which looks classic and funky at the same time. It has a large Realme branding, which some users might like it depending upon their taste and some might not, but I personally feel that I like it very much. This power bank comes with 1 input port and 2 output ports, out of which one is USB-C port, to be honest, which is amazing to see in such price category. It has light indicators and power on and off switch. The size and cable of the power bank are pretty adequate, that makes it easy to slide it into your pocket or keep it into your backpacks. I have been using this power bank for roughly 2 weeks now, and I realized that it takes 3 to 3.5 hours to fully charge this power bank. Which is very good considering a 10,000 mAh battery capacity. The thing about this power bank is that it comes with 13-layer protection, which is, to be honest, something very nice to see. Now let's talk about the USB cable which comes with this power bank. It is a USB-C type cable, which at the same time have a pin for micro USB-A as well, with which you can charge your ancient cell phones. Damn, this is something cool. Whoever invented this, great thought, bro. Another amazing feature of this power bank is that it comes with dedicated low power mode, so that you can charge your devices like Mi Band or your Bluetooth speakers or earphones, and these earphones are from Oppo Enco M31, which will be reviewed soon as well. So stay tuned with us, and to buy these products, the link will be mentioned in the description. I'll show you how to use your device on the low power mode. You just have to press the switch on and off button twice, and automatically the power bank will go on low mode, and then you just have to connect it with any of your device. That's it, there you go. The very unique feature of this power bank is that it is the only power bank in this price range which supports PD charging, which means it can fast charge your Apple devices like your iPad or iPhones. So the final verdict is here. You can absolutely buy this power bank without any second thought. I have been using it for 2 weeks now, and throughout this video I've been thinking about one single con, and trust me, I couldn't get anything. This is an absolutely amazing power bank. Buy it now. If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Pickle, and do not forget to press the bell icon button so that you can get regular updates about our upcoming videos. Like, share and comment as much as you can. Thank you so much.